bicycle thief. Sunam was a young store clerk. He worked at an electric supply wholesaler in an alley behind Seoul Shopping Center in the Cheonggyecheon neighborhood in Seoul. Sunam was a young store clerk, we called just Kid, although he was 15. Through the telephone line, people from neighborhood hardware stores or the caller would sometimes scold him after. The store's regular customers were mostly rough-mannered. Cherry blossomed on the store calendar. The long winter did come back for one more day, though. It was a mean thing for the winter to... On an ordinary day, Sunam would have answered excitedly and effectively. Kid, just beg. Wrong thing? Why would giving that evil man a hard time be the wrong thing? Especially when the gentleman, who was so rich he could afford a luxury car, was willing to what he did today might